Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best moving foam wrap is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items when it comes to protecting your belongings during a move, ensuring that everything from delicate glassware to bulky furniture arrives at your new destination without a scratch, making it an indispensable tool for anyone undertaking the stressful process of relocation. Number 5. DAT 100 Pack Foam Sheets 12x12. Safeguard your delicate belongings with these foam sheets. They provide excellent cushioning, ensuring your fragile items arrive safely. This pack includes 100 pre-cut sheets, offering ample material for all your packing and shipping requirements. You'll have plenty to work with. Each sheet measures 12 by 12 inches with a 1/16-inch thickness. This convenient size is ideal for wrapping a variety of items. Crafted from high-quality, commercial-grade polyethylene foam, these sheets are both lightweight and resistant. They can be reused for future needs. These foam sheets are essential moving supplies designed for packing, storage, and shipping. They offer reliable protection for your goods. Use them to protect glassware, plates, china, and other valuables. You can pack with confidence knowing they are well protected. What we like? These foam sheets offer a generous 100 pack for all your packing needs. Their 1/16 thickness provides reliable cushioning for delicate items. If you are packing glassware, china, or other fragile household items for a move, these are a great choice. What people say. These sheets are good-sized, 2 does a platter, 4 does a very large chop plate, ensuring that all portions of the plate are covered. 1 will protect a dinner plate whereas 1 for a salad plate or bowl is overly large, but large enough to fold under if you prefer. These are separate individual sheets, not perforated, which is much better for quick packing, and oftentimes the perforated rip when pulling one off the roll. The thickness is perfect for this, as they are thick for protection while still being flexible enough to mold around bowls and plates. Number 4. Mighty Gadget Foam Packing Sheets. Introducing Mighty Gadget Foam Packing Sheets, your ultimate solution for protecting valuables. These pre-cut sheets offer consistent sizing for efficient packing. With a 1/16-inch thickness, they provide excellent cushioning to prevent chips, cracks, and scratches. This ensures your items arrive safely, whether moving, shipping, or storing. The non-abrasive and dust-free surface is gentle on delicate items. It's perfect for protecting plates, mugs, cookware, art, and electronics without causing damage. These sheets are not only flexible but also reusable, conforming to edges and corners with ease. Reduce waste and save money by using them multiple times. Use them as dish packing foam, plate protectors, or layers between stacked items. They are ideal for both home moves and e-commerce shipments, offering versatile protection. Proudly made in the USA, these packing sheets offer reliable quality. Protect your belongings with confidence using this essential packing material. What we like? This option provides 100 pre-cut sheets with a non-abrasive surface, perfect for delicate items. They are made in the USA and are flexible for easy use. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective cushioning solution for dishes, glassware, or electronics, this is the one. What people say. These are perfect for protecting your valuables when moving and make great pan protectors for everyday living. Work perfectly. I packed all my plates and glasses, nothing broke, so they worked and I was able to put them up to use them again. Excellent cushioning between plates, bowls, and around wine glasses and cups. Great product. Number 3. Modern Innovations 15-inch clear stretch wrap roll with handles. Experience industrial strength with our heavy-duty plastic wrap. Its 60-gauge thickness and 1,000 feet of length make packing effortless. Plus, it includes 2 easy-to-use roller handles. Our roller handles are designed for comfort and ease. The tension grip secures the wrap tightly without straining your wrists, and the soft silicone coating protects your hands. Shield your belongings from the elements. This wrap protects furniture from rain, snow, dirt, and dust during transport, preventing stains, spills, rips, and scratches. Forget sticky messes. Unlike tape, our shrink wrap leaves no residue behind. It's perfect for wrapping furniture, luggage, and more without any unwanted stickiness. This stretch wrap is incredibly versatile. It's ideal for furniture, pallet wrapping, shipping, painting, and warehouse use, making it a must-have for movers and businesses. What we like? This is a heavy-duty stretch wrap roll with industrial strength and a generous 1,000 feet of coverage. It comes with easy-to-use roller handles for better grip and control. If you need to wrap large, heavy items like furniture, appliances, or palletized goods, and want protection from the elements, this is your go-to solution. What people say. The foam wrap is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning for fragile items. It's easy to cut and mold to different shapes, making it versatile for various packing needs. The wrap is lightweight, so it doesn't add significant weight to packages. Number 2. 100 cushion foam pouches and sheets. Moving fragile items can be stressful. Our foam wrap provides the perfect cushioning to keep your mugs, cups, glasses, china, and dishes safe during any move or shipment. Protect furniture legs and corners from scratches during transit. These foam wraps are also ideal for safeguarding collectibles, picture frames, and other glass objects. Store your seasonal items with confidence. Keep your delicate Christmas ornaments or special china plates protected until you need them again. This pack includes 60 foam pouches and 40 foam sheets in assorted sizes. You'll have the right size for every item, from small glasses to larger plates. Enhance your moving and packing supplies with our essential foam. It complements moving boxes, packing paper, and all other packing materials for a complete solution. What we like. This product offers a combination of foam pouches and sheets in assorted sizes for versatile protection. It's ideal for smaller, delicate items like mugs, glasses, and collectibles. If you have a variety of fragile items, from china plates to picture frames, and need tailored protection, this pack is a great companion to your other moving supplies. What people say. The variety of sizes is super handy, making it perfect for protecting everything from Christmas decor to dishes during storage or a move. The quality is fantastic, offering a great level of protection without being too bulky. They're also easy to use, just slide your items in, and they're ready to go. The set comes with a variety of sizes of sleeve for different bowls, cups, glasses, as well as single-layer sheets which are perfect for layering between dishes and plates to stop them from chipping. Number 1. Moving supplies cushion foam pouches. Introducing our high-quality cushion foam pouches, designed with anti-static film technology for flexibility and toughness. They offer superior protection against impacts, fractures, scratches, and dents during transit. These foam pouches are not only reusable and recyclable but also made from selected materials without any peculiar smell. Their durable construction ensures they return to their original state after use, making them an ideal alternative to traditional packaging. Measuring 16 by 16 inches, these pouches are perfect for a wide range of items, from glasses and mugs to small photo frames and valuable collections. They provide a smooth, firm, and durable protective layer. Specially customized for e-commerce sellers, these pouches offer excellent moisture-proof, shock-proof, and scratch-proof properties. They are ideal for protecting small electronics and even safeguarding furniture edges during transport. Each pack includes 30 eye-catching fragile labels to remind handlers to treat your items with extra care. This ensures your delicate belongings arrive safely at their destination. These pouches also serve as the best filling material for boxes, preventing items from rattling during transportation. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your products are well protected, saving you time and worry. What we like. These large 16x16 cushion foam pouches feature anti-static film technology for superior protection against impacts and scratches. They are reusable and come with fragile stickers to ensure careful handling. If you are an e-commerce seller shipping small electronics or valuable collections, or if you need to protect larger fragile items and want to clearly mark them for careful transit, these pouches are an excellent choice. What people say. Worked perfectly to keep our plates and larger items safe during our move. Easy to use. Size was perfect, most affordable foam bags I found for this particular size. Nothing broke during our move, which is the most important thing. These are foam bags, not bubble bags, but they provide adequate cushioning between plates and stackable items during a move, or for storage. I vend with a lot of original artwork and get frustrated when canvases get scratched or the corners fray. I got these to protect the paintings when hauling them back and forth, but also I wrap them when someone purchases the art. It's added the right cushion and protection, so I've noticed it's rare that I have an issue with damaged art now. Packaging is easy because I got a size that either fits most of my work or I can use 2 sleeves for longer pieces. Tape sticks very well, so you can cut these and resize for any fit or size you need. The quality is decent and they don't rip easily unless you pull tape off of them. The dish pouches arrived quickly and as described by the seller. They made packing dishes easy. They fit into the soft packing material, and were large enough to fold over, providing each dish with added protection for stacking in a chest. I would buy them again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.